Hey, thanks for joining me. Today's video is all about how to use Instagram post notifications to spy on your competition and also to never miss a new post from some of your favorite Instagram accounts. So stick with me. I'm going to show you how to easily keep tabs on some of your favorite Instagram accounts and even spy on some of your competition if you want to be a little sneaky. But before I get started, I want you to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you'll always get notified when I post a new video to YouTube. So let's go ahead and get started. First, of course, we're going to open up our Instagram app. Next, I'm going to search for an account. This one is going to be an account that I admire, so I won't say this is competition. This is someone I admire. I'll type in Billie Jean. I've been listening to a lot of his stuff lately. So the way you do this, you want to click on the three buttons here at the top, or the three dots at the top. Now, on here, you'll have the option to turn on post notifications. That's going to notify you every time he posts or they post something new to their feed. And then you can also do the same with story notifications. So you'll get a notification every time a person posts a new story. So I'm going to first start with post notifications. I'll click that. Now, if you don't have notifications enabled for Instagram, it's going to immediately send you here. If you do, it'll just turn it on. To activate it, click turn on. Once I get here, it's already done. I'm going to go back to the Instagram app. And now you can see it's activated, so I can turn it off if I want to. I'm going to do the same with story notifications. So I'll click story notifications, then I'll click turn on. Same thing, I'll go back to Instagram. I'll click these three dots again, and you'll notice that they are activated. So now every time Billie Jean is marketing, posts something new to his feed, or he posts a new story, I'm going to get notified. So this is a great way to, again, keep tabs on some of your favorite Instagram accounts. And then also, it's a great way to spy on some of your competition. Imagine the different ways you could use this as a business to be notified every time one of your competitors posts a new post or a story. You can check on their engagement, see how they're doing, see what types of content is working for them, see what types of content is not. Maybe it'll give you some ideas for some things that you can utilize. Of course, you don't want to steal anything, but it can, inspire you to go in another direction than what maybe you were headed before. So that's it. That's how to use Instagram post notifications to never miss a new post from some of your favorite Instagram accounts, and also to spy on your competition. Let me know if this has helped you, and also how you'll be using this. Will you be using this to follow some of your favorite accounts, or will you be using this as a technique to get intel from your competition? Leave me a comment and let me know. Once again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and click that bell so you get notified as soon as I post a new video here on YouTube. And while you're at it, go to my Instagram account, Your Marketing Lady, and click those three dots, turn on my post notifications and story notifications. I'm always giving social media marketing tips. I'm on there multiple times a week, a little bit more often than I'm here on YouTube, and I'm always trying to drop knowledge, giving you social media marketing tips for your business to succeed. Thanks again for watching. I'm Your Marketing Lady, and I'll see you next time.